All right, here's the set of Diode Dynamics LED switchback turn signals, the sequential ones. This one here, the passenger side, works perfectly. No issues at all. When you unlock the vehicle, the light comes on, and then you do have the sequential turn. This side over here works, but it doesn't work when you unlock the vehicle. You'll have to actually connect power to it, which power, these here are actually meant to clip into the purple wire on your headlight harness so that it comes on with the headlight. Plug that up. So now it came on whenever I plugged that wire in. So over here, if I was to turn this one off, plug this one in. So you can see that's how they're supposed to come on with the vehicle. That's the only issue is that, but you hook them up so it comes on with the vehicle, everything works. So these are the Diode Dynamics. It's got for the US and EU or off.